Today we're diving into the exciting world of AI and how it can help you make some serious cash. Believe it or not, there are tons of free online AI tools that can boost your income. Step 1. Find your niche. The first step is figuring out what you're good at. Do you love writing, design, maybe social media? AI tools can enhance almost any skill. For example, if you're a writer, consider using AI to generate blog post ideas or overcome writer's block. Step 2. Explore free AI tools. There are tons of free AI tools out there. Mention a few popular options in your niche. For example, Jarvis or Writer for content creation, or Night Cafe Creator for generating unique art. Step 3. Level up your skills. These AI tools are amazing assistants, but don't rely solely on them. Use them to spark ideas, improve efficiency, and overcome roadblocks. Focus on developing your core skills alongside the AI to create high-quality work. Step 4. Promote your work. Promote your work across social media platforms and relevant online communities. Highlight how AI tools have helped you create unique and insightful content. Step 5. Monetize your skills. Lastly, monetize your skills by offering services such as content creation, data analysis, or AI consulting. You can also participate in freelance platforms that match AI specialists with businesses in need. And there you have it. Making money with free AI tools is all about creativity and leveraging technology to your advantage. Give these steps a try and watch your opportunities grow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on maximizing AI tools. If you have any questions or want to share your experience, drop us a comment below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, happy creating. Thanks for watching.